Welcome to another PCS Company product demonstration video. Today we'll be discussing Bolexp metric ball guided side locks. PCS Company offers these locks for precision guidance and alignment between mold halves. Recirculating ball bearings allow for endless travel and are installed in a compact block. These bearings are aligned in a tilted pattern that offers high production, greater agility of motion, and easy maintenance. Bolexp metric guided side locks offers tighter working tolerances and minimal friction with better adjustment, increasing the quality of the injected product. PCS Company offers these locks in 10 standard sizes, the bar lengths ranging from 25 millimeters up to 112 millimeters, allowing for longer engagement distance when compared with regular top or side locks. Bolexp ball-guided side locks are made of high-carbon, high-chromium tool steel with a hardness value of 60 to 62 on the Rockwell C scale and have a maximum working temperature of 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit www.pcs-company.com for more information.